Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today looking at Aussie Yen, very nice setup over here, right? We can see that there's a nice channel over here, very nice bearish channel, right? On top of a very nice bearish channel, we can see that there's a very nice resistance level over here, right? This resistance level happens to coincide with a 61.8 retracement. We can see it over here. It also happens to coincide with a 38% retracement from here, right? 38 and 61.8, right? So I'm just going to neaten this up a bit. 38%, 61.8% over here, right? And a nice 100% Fibonacci projection that lines up just over here, right? So we got three levels lining up very nicely. Here 38%, 100%, 61.8. We got nice resistance. We got nice channel, right? And on the Ichimoku cloud, we can see that there's a bearish cloud over here, right? So we are expecting price to touch here and reverse. Okay, so that is the key idea that we're looking at. Okay, so how are we going to play this move? We're going to use this, right? We're going to use this as our entry, right? So I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to call it my entry. This is going to be our entry, short entry. I'm going to keep my stop loss rather tight, right? Price should not be breaking out of this channel, right? So I'm going to use this as my stop loss, right? And then from here, we're just going to play the move down all the way down to here for the take profit. Very nice setup, very simple setup, right? And looking to play the move down from here, right? Don't need to play it too far down as like over here, just need to play it just slightly higher from here. That should be enough to bag you enough pips with a good risk reward of 1:3, 1:4. Very nice setup, guys. Okay, so that's it for me. It's a very nice, simple setup we have today on Aussie Yen. Bearish channel, bearish Ichimoku cloud, resistance, 38% retracement, 100% projection, 61.8 retracement. Everything is lining up very nicely to see a nice reversal from here all the way down. Okay, so that's it for me for today. I hope you guys found this session useful, right? And if most importantly is to exercise proper risk management when you come to trading this strategy. Okay, if you have any questions for me, any requests, please send them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer to them. Right, otherwise, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow again. Cheers and peace out.